Matam amagi apangba luchingba singya soibana Meetei mutkragani Chief Minister na soiba sing semdokpiyu Meetei bu Scheduled Tribe lista chanhanbiyu haina World Meetei Convention WMC amadi Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM gi maikaidagi laingakta taksilakle STDCM gi Vice President Laitonjam Borazau STDCM gi former President Moirangthem Nongdaren Khomba, WMC ki Chairman Haikruzam Navasyam Amadi, WMC ki Advisor Posangbam Sonamani Nasaru Yaduna, Imphal gi Mafam Amada Pangthokpa Paugi Mifamda, WCM ki Chairman Navasyam na Meitei asi Lamdam asi ki Yelahumini Haiduna, Chinda Khakta Lauduna Leiraga, ST Oihlaudabana, Hozikti Meitei Yahorakfam Oiriba Lamdam Asida, Masagi Oiba Fangpam Thokpa Hak Tanba Yadaba Furupama Oiduna Leire. English amaga chamapan yankai da matamdugi luchingba singna lana saktak lubadagi ngasi Meetei bu Manipur gi rightful citizen ama oiba ngamdabani haike
akhoi gi ipai bu leader singna kano lalambani adu nei nei aina historical blunder hai akhoi kana ju sau de majig dam akhoi mingonda blame to de ba Nehru de blame to de Indira to de Morarji sai to de ba Modi the to the talk deba. Canam the talk deba. I couldn't shine his lang give it all. Nasi the quick hung ever. I don't know. Nasi I could around but Manipur Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister. I could historical blunders amok the day. Labang Miam give them young birga, soon talk be over. Other Manipur Honorable Chief Minister na Labang Miam being birga, Meetei sing as a native people ni, Meetei sing a situ, indigenous people ni haidana. Amok the India government. Makoi native people omo oibagi indigenous people omo oibi rightful citizen omo Manipur da oiba phangnana ba Scheduled Tribe ki list da hapchen view haibase suk theng da dana hek jai makai thuna thabiyu haijabani koin hajari se.
We are very peace loving people. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee and World Meetei Convention, we don't want to contravene and we don't want to create any situation law and order. Ngasi police laktana khoibe tankhai duna lakpun khotna toba thamoi yamna soi lenga ki mayam pun hangachage khoi adung maminate akhoi yamna peaceful lim and we are fighting for you. You are not going to be always in the throne, you are not going to be always in the chair. We are fighting for your generations. Don't forget lenga puri mayam pun maksu and the opposition and MLS में पुनः मक्सु नखोई की नचा नसु की तमकती नोई दे पैसा तब तने पैसा लगा लोरेगा आधा अमेरिका ते लंदन था के नहीं नते नखोई से Meetei नहीं. Why you are silent and why you seem to shut your mouth?